Now you can execute and debug Circom directly from VS Code, and I will show you how. First, let's execute our code. We click the Run button or use the shortcut Alt+Shift+R. Next, we choose the input file. It's input2, and then select the Circom file we want to execute. Finally, we get a message, AssertFailed, on line 22. Yes, you'll see it's here because our input is 2, so let's set some breakpoints. Here, here, maybe here or here. And now start the debugging. Choose the input file and the Circom file. Now we can go line by line. And you see here, we declare our inputs. And now we initialize our output. So we can click continue until the next breakpoint. It failed because it encountered an error here. Let's check the input and run the debug process again. Oh, we have another error. Constraint not satisfied on line 28. It's here. But we can also go here and here. And now it's not a problem. We continue to the next until the next, and next. And it's failed. So now we know our debugger failed here because A is 3 and unused is 4. Let's fix this and start debugging again. And now we have our output, which is 5.